Now we come behind margarita mix. Look who's on the bottle. Come on. I can't do it, okay? Wow, that's a lot of space left. What are you gonna fill that with, Sky? Funny you should ask. Wow, Sky, that's a 6-pack. No, we're not using the full 6-pack. Don't be insane. We're just using 5 of them. Don't let the bottles go in. The 5 of these are gonna hold each other up.
Okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be tension. It's gonna be tension.
It's gonna be whatever it is.
Between Sky and I.
Okay, ready?
Some very.
So you got it? You got it? Hold the bottles up. You go in the same time as me, okay? And action. Perfect.
Wow.
And there you have it! Alright? So you stick a couple longer straws in and you pass it around. This is a community bowl, it's not for one person. Okay? And it's a lot of fun because it's a beer infused margarita. So it's good to go. Ah, okay. You got to feel it. You see what I'm saying? Many of you wonder, why am I so buff? It's building stuff like this. That's right. I'm a construction worker. I just work with glass and booze.